In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Tableau project to GitHub. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to get an existing Tableau project that already lives in a Git repository imported into GitHub using GitHub's built-in import tool. This is great when your Tableau workbooks and supporting files are stored on another hosting service or in a repository you want to mirror or relocate. Before we start, a quick note on project contents. Tableau projects typically include .twb or .twbx files, plus any supporting folders like data sources, images, or documentation. Make sure there are no embedded credentials or sensitive data inside your workbooks or configuration files. Also, keep an eye on file sizes. GitHub has a strict 100 MB per file limit. If your .twbx files are large, consider using GitLFS after the import to manage them efficiently. Begin on your GitHub dashboard. In the upper area of the interface, click New to create a new repository. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to bring in an existing code base. That's where the import feature comes in handy and preserves commit history when possible. On the creation page, choose Import a repository. This opens GitHub's importer, which asks for details about the source you want to bring over. It's designed to work with repositories hosted elsewhere, such as GitLab, Bitbucket, or another GitHub project you control. Have the source repository's clone URL ready. In the import form, paste the URL of the source repository that already contains your Tableau project. Then choose the owner under which the new repository will live and give the destination repository a clear, descriptive name. Adjust the visibility to public or private based on who should see the project. For many teams, private is the safer default, especially when workbooks connect to internal data. You can usually leave advanced options at their defaults unless your workflow requires changes. When everything looks right, click Begin Import. GitHub will start processing the repository and may prompt you to authenticate if the source is private. Let the importer run. Duration depends on the repository's size and history. Once it completes, you'll land on your new GitHub repository page. Review the files to confirm your Tableau assets like .twb or .twbx data folders and documentation are all present. Open or preview what you can and verify that any expected directory structure was preserved. To wrap up, consider adding a README that explains the project structure, Tableau version, and how to open the workbook. If you anticipate large extracts or packaged files, plan to enable GitLFS. Finally, share the repository link with your team and set branch protections or access controls as needed.